Hi guys, welcome back. I hope you all are doing good. Guys, this reading is going to be for anybody that is watching this video right now. You could be somebody who has Leo in your sun, moon, rising, Venus or Jupiter signs. This could be your ascendant sign too. Okay, so if you're a cross watcher, you're drawn to this video, you can switch the energies and reverse the roles as it suits you. Okay guys, so guys, keep in mind that these are general readings. It will resonate to most of you, not all of you, so take whatever resonates and leave the rest. If you want a personal reading, the details are mentioned below in the description box. Alright, so Leos, we will see what's happening in your love life. We'll see what is your person thinking about you. Okay, so let's see guys, what is this person thinking about you? Leos, you appear in your own reading. Okay, bottom of the deck is the Fool. Leos, as far as your person is concerned, this is somebody who is missing you, who has been missing you. This is somebody who doesn't want to give up on you so easily. Okay, this is somebody who was not investing enough in the past. Okay, but this person has made up their mind. This person doesn't want to lose you. See, we have the Five of Cups in reverse. This means that this person wants to put efforts. This is somebody who wants to come back to you. Okay, maybe this person may have chosen somebody else over you or whatever it is, but this person is not happy. This person is somebody who is realizing your value. This is somebody who is thinking about all the good times that they may have spent with you. Okay, we have the Five of Cups in reverse. This is somebody who was not really investing enough. This is somebody who was closed off. Okay, but now I feel that this is somebody who wants to talk. This is somebody who wants to do things for you. They have realized that they have not been fair towards you in the past. Okay, this is somebody who feels that they have not been fair towards you. They were closed off, they were acting distant. In spite of being with you, this person was not really there. Okay, so this is somebody who wants to work on this connection with the Strength in reverse. We have the Ten of Pentacles, Four of Wands and Six of Pentacles in reverse. This is somebody who sees marriage, who wants reconciliation, who wants an equal give and take in this connection. I don't know, I feel your person is somebody, guys, who wants you but they don't know how. Okay, this is somebody who wants to have you but they don't know how. With the Six of Pentacles in reverse, they know that they have not been fair towards you. This person wants to be fair. They feel that they have never done things for you. Now they want to do things for you. Okay, this is somebody who feels that they're guilty of not giving you time, or they're guilty of something, Leo. Okay, something is bothering this person. This person is somebody who feels that they have not been fair, who feels that they have ignored you. Okay, in some way. This is somebody who wants to come back and work on this connection. They see marriage with you. If I see the near future, this person will put efforts on you. It's just that they may not land up giving the commitment that you need. This is somebody who wants to marry you but is going to take some time. Maybe this person is stuck somewhere else, Leos. See, Hierophant, we have the Hierophant here. This person is somebody who has been taking you very casually. Okay, this person never really felt that you will move on without them. Okay, this person never really felt that you can leave them, okay, in a day. It's like some of you, maybe you are trying to move on and this person knows it, so they regret that they took you for granted. This person now wants to work on this connection. This person, with the Three of Cups, Hierophant, you're dealing with somebody who either is involved in some other relationship, or somebody who is very social, somebody who can't give commitment so easily. Like, this is somebody who will be in 10-20 relationships before they choose you, Leos. Okay, you're definitely dealing with somebody who will take a lot of time before they commit to you. Okay, this is that energy. So you could be dealing with a Sagittarius, this could be a Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Most of you, this could be a Sagittarius or a Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. So yeah, see, we have the Hierophant and Three of Cups. We have the Four of Wands in reverse. As far as your future energies are concerned, Leos, I feel that this person wants to work on this connection. This person wants to build whatever went wrong between you and them, but they don't know how. This is somebody who is wanting to come forward and do things, but they're stuck somewhere. But the good thing is that this person has made up their mind to not leave you and to be with you. Okay, this is what I see. I don't see this person giving up on you. This person feels that you're doing good without them. This person feels that you're kind of drifting apart. Okay, you may have tried to move on from this person and this person can really feel it. Okay, so that is one. Now we will see your energies. Leos, we'll see your energy. See, Emperor, Queen of Cups. I think you literally had some big expectations from this person, some real big expectations. See, this is no joke. We have the Strength here. You appear in your own reading 2 times, Leos. Queen of Pentacles. Leos, I feel as far as your current situation is concerned, you're holding on to this person. Like, you want to start fresh, you want to move forward, but somehow I see you coming back to this person. It's not that you didn't try to move on, Leos. I feel that you did try to move on, but somehow the Wheel of Fortune is in reverse. It's like you try going away from this person, but you'll end up coming back to them. It's like you're going in circles. At times you feel like moving on, but then you land up coming back to this person. Okay, that is something. Some of you feel that this is a desire. You have a desire of starting a new chapter with somebody else, but you're being pushed back to this person. Okay, that's the energy here. We have the Eight of Cups in reverse, we have the Page of Wands and Wheel of Fortune. Some of you feel that you are a completely changed person as on today. Maybe you have learned a lot in your life, Leos. Okay, and you're a changed person. You have realized that you're not going to repeat the mistakes that you did in the past, and like, I see you as a very evolved soul, like you may have become more spiritual of lately, and you've had many things in life which has transformed you as a person. So you are an evolved soul, you have learned a lot, and you are in a peaceful place. Okay, this is what I feel. There is lot of love. I mean, you literally had lot of good times with this person. Maybe you discussed marriage. Okay, some of you, I feel that you literally discussed marriage, you discussed children. This person may have said many things to you in the past. You really have some good memories with this person. Okay, some of you, I feel that you feel that at times you feel that this person is emotionally unavailable. Okay, maybe you're dealing with somebody who is emotionally unavailable. Could be that you are also dominating and this person is also dominating. It's like two people of the same energy, like you don't want to keep running after them, you don't want to run after them, they don't want to run after you. It's like two strong personalities under one roof. Now this is going to be for some of you, not all of you, okay, because it's a general reading. So that is one thing that I see. As far as the future energy is concerned, Leos, I have the Strength, Two of Swords and Sun. I feel some of you, you have with the Two of Swords and Sun, maybe you are going to get some clarity, Leo, okay, towards this person. Some of you, maybe you were thinking wrong about this person. I don't know why I'm feeling that some of you, you were in a place where you didn't know what is right for you, you didn't know what is wrong for you, and maybe you were thinking negative about this person, Leos. Okay, I see you that you have been thinking negative about this person, but this person is not so. I feel you're going to get some clarity about this person very soon. In the next few days, I see you getting clarity. I see you being more clear about what you want in life, whether you want this person, whether you don't want this person. Somehow, I don't know, I feel that you both want each other, but things, it's just that the timing is not perfect. Okay, it's like they want you, you want them, but the time is just not right. So I don't know, I feel that you're going to be more clear about this person in the future. Okay, I see you getting clarity over things. I see you in a happier phase. With the Sun, I definitely see that you're going to be much more happier than what you are today. Definitely you're not sure about this person, definitely you are stuck somewhere, definitely you don't know whether is this the one for you. Some of you, you may have two choices, and I think you're going to choose. See, you have two swords in your hands, Leos. Okay, we have the two swords. I think you're going to drop one very soon. It's like I see you making a decision, and this is something that will be a confirmed decision. Like you're going to drop one sword, Leos. Okay, this is what I feel. Some of you, you definitely have two choices. You're going to drop one and move towards the second one, the one that deserves you, the one that gives you happiness, the one you feel drawn to, the one who is the right one for you, Leos. Okay, some of you, I do see pregnancy also. Maybe you are expecting a child. I do see maybe you will go family way, or like you want a child. I do see pregnancy for some of you in the future. Now, Six of Swords, Three of Wands, Five of Pentacles, Four of Wands. This says, Leos, that Leos, I feel that some of you, you are being asked to hold on. It's like you are making some hasty decisions. Okay, don't make hasty decisions. I feel that because you are making a hasty decision, you may lose out on an emperor or an empress. Okay, so some of you, you are being asked to wait. It is like I see you in a state where you're impatient. You feel that this is somebody who is not giving you what you really need, maybe commitment, marriage, or whatever it is. So you're being asked to wait. You're dealing with somebody who is waiting for the right time, Leos. We have the 3 of Wands, 6 of Swords. This is somebody who wants you, but they're waiting for the right time to come towards you, Leos. Alright, most of you, I think you are dealing with a Sagittarius, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Some of you, you're going to meet a new person in life, or you may have already met. This could be a Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, Aries, Leo, Saggy. Okay, somebody new may have entered your life. This could be an Aries, Leo, Saggy, or a Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. So there are strong chances of you connecting with this person. Alright, this is somebody, this is for singles especially. If you're waiting for somebody new, I see a Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn and Aries, Leo, Saggy heading towards you. So, you know what, Leo? See, I have this Queen of Pentacles, Page of Swords by your side. Some of you, I feel that you are keeping a very close check on your person. You feel that this person is not by your side. You really want them, but they are not there with you. Okay, you're heartbroken over a situation, Leo. Okay, this person has broken your heart. Some of you, I feel that you are in this place where you're healing. Okay, you feel that this person is never there when you need them. This is somebody who doesn't invest in this connection. So you're heartbroken over a situation, Leo. Some of you, I think you're trying to divert your mind, like you're focusing on your own self, in your career, because of this person, Leos. Okay, let's see what is this person thinking about you, Leos. We'll see. See, this person feels that you both are meant to be with each other. Like they know that you are the one for them. This person knows that you are divinely guided towards them, but then they feel that you may have blocked this person, or you are trying to go away from them. Okay, now I do see the 7 of Wands energy, where maybe you have blocked this person, or you are trying to go away from this person, Leos. So this person is angry that you don't really care, or you don't really invest in this connection. This is their current feelings. All right, this is what they are thinking about you. So we'll see what messages do we have. We'll see what messages do we have for you, Leos. Flirting with someone. So maybe you're dealing with somebody who is flirting with somebody else too. Okay, this is somebody, just because you both are not with each other, this person may be flirting with somebody else. Yeah, these two cards. One is no chemistry left with. See, your person feels that there is no chemistry left with the third party. Maybe some of you, you're dealing with somebody who is stuck with a third party, could be in a marriage, but there's no chemistry between both of them. They don't connect on a soul level, Leo. See, this card is a confirmation that they don't connect on a soul level. They don't connect with anybody else the way they connect with you, Leos. Okay, reminiscing, replaying memories of the past. This person is somebody who's thinking about you day in and day out. This person is madly in love with you, Leos. Okay, they just think about you. Yeah, this person may be flirting with somebody else, but they don't connect. Okay, I feel this is somebody who has immense love. Look at this, 2 of Cups, 2 of Pentacles and 9 of Pentacles. This is somebody who is trying to divert their mind, but deep within they are thinking about you. Okay, this is somebody who won't let you go easily, Leos. Okay, they won't let you go so easily. All right, yeah. see if we have any love messages for you, Leos. We'll see if we have any love messages for you. Okay. Can we start all over again? This person wants to start all over again. They know that they messed it up. This person wants to contact you. They want to start this all over again with you. Okay, they know, see, I'm coming home to you. This person wants to come back. They may have tried moving away, but they can't. It's like universe bringing this person back to you. You know, I always feel, Leos, whatever is meant for you will come back to you. How much ever you go away from that person, or how much ever you try going away from this person, like two souls, if they are destined to be with each other, will come back to each other. Okay, so this is somebody who wants to come and meet you. Maybe you both are staying at a distance, two different countries, two different places, whatever it is, this person wants to come and meet you. Okay, maybe they are planning a trip to come and see you, Leos. Okay, they want to come and meet you, could be in your house. Okay, what else do we have for my Leos? Please give me a message. I'm not the best, but I promise I love you with all my heart. This person has so much love for you. See, they say that they're not the best, but they promise that they love you with all their heart. That's so cute. This is so cute. Leos, whatever it is, I feel that you should work on this connection. This is a divine connection. Don't give up. Okay, yes, I agree that this person may have hurt you, or this is somebody who may have taken you for granted, but you know, you're being asked to work on this connection. We'll see if we have any advice for you, Leos. Okay, we'll see if we have any advice for you. Any advice for my Leos? Okay, oh my God. See, Three of Swords again. Some of you, okay, see, the advice is to heal yourself with the Three of Swords, Seven of Swords, Three of Wands, Queen of Wands, Magician. You know, this is telling me, Leos, that you have to wait for the right time. Maybe you are being impatient. I got this message here also. Some of you, you're being very impatient. You're being asked to wait. Okay, wait for the right time. Don't run away so fast. It's like some of you, you are not trying to heal yourself. Like you are in pain. You may not show it to the world, but internally you're going through a lot, Leos. Okay, so don't be in pain. There is no point in being sad. Life is too beautiful to be unhappy. Every day is a gift, Leos. Okay, spend time with somebody who loves you. Spend time with someone who cares for you, and don't get disheartened like you're giving up, on somebody very fast. You're being asked to wait, hold on. Okay, don't give up. That's a message. It's like, don't give up so easily. Some of you, you're giving up on somebody, you're being asked to wait. Okay, and the next two messages, Queen of Wands and the Magician. Some of you, you are being asked to focus on your career. Okay, and focus on your career, like take your career seriously. Maybe you're trying to, maybe you're taking your work very leniently, Leos. Okay, this is something that says that focus on your career, and career is very important. I don't know, for some of you, I feel that this is a message. You like focus on your independence. You have to be independent. You have to be on your own. It's like focus on your career. That's the message. Like manifest, and don't give up manifesting this connection. Okay, don't give up. That's the message. Don't give up. Just don't stay in this place where you're hurt, where you're sad. Some of you, you could be going through depression. Don't be there. Okay, life is too beautiful. Whatever is meant for you will come to you at the right time. That's the message, Leos. Okay, yeah, so don't worry about the future, Leos. All right, So that was that, guys. I really hope this helps and resonates, and if this does, I would request you to please like, share, subscribe, and do let me know how did this resonate. And thank you so much, you guys. Take care, be safe, bye.